Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how you can fix the user account control error where the yes button is missing. So let's get started. To begin with, simply go to your Windows settings. Then in System, scroll down to Recovery. In the Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Now click on Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options and click on Startup Settings. From here, click on Restart. Now you need to press either function key 4 or the number 4 to enter the safe mode of Windows. Now open the Run dialog box and simply type NETPLWIZ and click on OK. Click on Yes. From here, select the user account and go to its properties. From here, click on Group Membership and select Administrator. Click on Apply and OK. Now restart your Windows. That's it. After restart, you won't get the error further. You can see the yes button is back. So that's it for today. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.